Alright guys, back again for another video. Hey, we're gonna keep it sweet. Football season is here, baby. Tailgate food. Today on the Rolling Grill. We got some tailgate dips going on, baby. Yeah, boy! Y'all see it, man. We're gonna do a twist today, guys. We're gonna do a twist on a classic spinach and artichoke dip. But instead of spinach, we're gonna use some collard greens, baby. We're gonna take it soul food. We're gonna put a soul food twist on it, man. We got some soul food collard greens and artichoke dip with a smoked bacon and Parmesan cheese crust. Y'all get ready, baby, right here on the Rolling Grill barbecue. All right, guys, let's walk through it. All right, we've got collard greens. If you've got some leftover collard greens in the freezer, take them out. Or if you don't feel like making them, go to the store. They got some good seasoned collard greens in cans. The only difference is the seasoned collard greens in the cans usually come with a lot of stems, as you can see right here. But that's no worry, man. Don't worry about that. Take whatever you have, chop it up real fine, add that to your dip. We've also got some marinated artichoke hearts right there. We've got a combination of 5 different cheeses right here: Monterey Jack, Parmesan, white cheddar, and some other things. We're going to season it up with my seasoning, Eric's Gourmet QQ Dust. We're going to top it off with some bacon and some Parmesan cheese. Hit it with a little bit of garlic and hot sauce, and off we go. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started. Going to take our marinated artichoke hearts. Definitely get the marinated ones. Don't get the plain ones. The marinated ones just give you a little bit more flavor, a little bit more punch. They're going to come quartered. Just chop them up as fine as you can. To me, it just gives you a better mouthfeel in the final product. And just chop them up as fine as you can. And that's it. We'll move on to the next step. All right, I'm going to take 2 8-ounce portions of cream cheese and just try to break it down and cream it as much as you can. You know, get it as loose as you can so you can move on to the next step, which is putting in some crushed garlic. You want to add a little crushed garlic, give you a little bang, a great pop of garlic. Use as much as you like. I like a lot of garlic, so I use a lot of garlic. Mix it up as best you can. And try to get it incorporated as much as you can. And then next is the hot sauce. Can't make no spinach and artichoke dip without some hot sauce. Don't really matter which one you use. Just add as much as you can. You like it spicy, then go with spicy. And then I also use my gourmet, my QQ dust. I'm going to throw that in there as well. I'm just trying to get all my seasoning together before I start adding the collard greens and the artichokes. And I'm just going to mix it up real fine. You know, get it incorporated as best I can. And then we'll move on to the next step. All right, the next step is to add your artichoke hearts. And just add them to the bowl. Mix them up as good as you can with the cream cheese. And then we'll move on to our next step. All right, collard green time. Add as much as you like. You know, it's a vegetable. It's good for you. Add as many collard greens as you like and just mix those in there along with the artichoke hearts as well. And try to incorporate it as best you can. Make sure everything gets covered with cream cheese. All right, now it's time for the good stuff, the cheese. Add as much as you like. I like mine real cheesy. You know, I mean, like real cheesy. So I'm going to add a whole bunch of cheese to it. Like I said, I got about 5 different cheeses in here. And again, just incorporate it as best you can. Make sure everything gets covered in cream cheese. And we almost there. We almost there, y'all. All right, a good quality mayo. Everybody don't add mayo to theirs. I like mayo to mine. I think it helps with the creaminess, and it helps to spread everything around. So this is probably about a cup of mayo. It's a good mayo, actually. Duke's mayo. I'll go ahead and tell you what it is. It's Duke mayonnaise, probably the best mayonnaise out there. Just mix it up as best you can. And like I said, it just really helps to incorporate everything and loosen everything up. All right, you got a good greased down bacon dish. All you're going to do is take your mixture. Get it all in there. I ain't trying to waste none of it. I'm getting all of it. All right, move it around. Get it into every nook and cranny. Oh man, look at that. Collard greens, artichokes. Phenomenal, man. All right, next step. All right, the next step is key. You take your bacon, your cooked bacon, crumble it up on top. Man, this is soul food, man. It's like having collard greens and ham hocks in there, man. But instead of ham hocks, you got some beautiful crispy bacon. This is soul food right here, baby, in a dip. And I got like 4 pieces of bacon. I'm using all of them. This is tailgate food, man. You can pre-make this ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator, let it sit, and when you're ready, you take it out to the tailgate, throw it right in the smoker for about 25 minutes, and it's ready to roll. And to finish that off, we're gonna hit it with some Parmesan cheese on top, and a lot of it. Now let's just use the rest of it. Finish it off with a little bit of my QQ dust on top. Bam, there you go. In the pit it goes. Stay tuned. Alright, our smoker is hot, man. We're trying to get the smoker up to about 325, 350, 325. We're going to put it on there. We're going to let it roll for about, maybe about 20, 25 minutes. We ain't in no hurry, man. We want it to absorb as much of that smoke flavor as we can, and then we'll be ready to go. $350. Yeah, boy. Let's take a peek at it. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm just trying to see if it's getting where I need it to go. Oh, yeah. Look at that smoke. You can see the smoke putting a nice little tint on the top of it. It's going to be some deliciousness, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, you got to have something to put your dip on, man. So what we have here is a little French baguette. We're going to cut it down the middle, and we're going to cut it on the bias. You can use chips. Anything, man. I just think a French baguette with a little brown butter toasted on it is the ultimate way to go with this dip. So let's get these cut up. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, toast the baguettes up. Time to put them on the grill. You can do this on a flat top. You can do it on a charcoal grill. To me, just get it out the way early. Toast them up at the house. Take them out to the game. And you'll be good to go. Take a little melted butter. Hit them on all sides with a little melted butter. Few minutes, flip it over, and it's ready to roll. Yeah, boy! Alright, there it is. And don't worry about the color of that dish. That's just the smoke. I actually used the peach smoke. That's just the peach smoke that's turned the dish a little brown. But look at that thing. It's beautiful, man. We got our beautiful baguettes right here. We're gonna get ready to plate up, and then we'll taste. Y'all stay tuned. All right, let's plate up. It looks beautiful, man. Ooh, wait, look at that. I probably could have let it cool just a little bit more, but man, let's put something on the plate and taste it. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. Look at that. Let's get it closer to the table. Look at that. And to finish it, just hit it with a little bit of dried cilantro. Yes, sir. Stay tuned. Let's eat. All right, y'all. There it is right there, man. Tailgate food, man. Football season is here, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there. One bite, quick. Man, you make the dip at home, put it in the refrigerator, take it out to the tailgate, throw it in the smoker. 350, 25 minutes. You're done. Bring some bread and chips and bam. Tailgate's supposed to be easy, man. As always, good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy!